Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, I want to make another withdrawal from CST mine, and I want to know maybe they will still pay me or not. Although I think this is my second withdrawal on this platform right now. If you want to register on this platform, you can check the description of this video, see the registration link there in case I receive the payment. So right now, guys, after you registered on this platform, you can click on task here and do your daily task. Just click on sign in and you get some free money there. But that is not where we are going. Right now, where we are going is how to withdraw. So if I click on my profile here at my here, you will see a withdrawals this thing here. As you can see, I have 28,000 naira here, which I can withdraw 28,800, though they are going to take their own transaction fee. So right now, let's see. I want to make this withdrawal right now. Let's see if I'm going to receive the money or not. If I'm going to receive the money or not. So right now, let me click on withdrawal. I click on withdrawal, and how much do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw 28,800. Let me refresh the page. As you can see. So right now I want to withdraw everything here. I want to withdraw it. This should be, let me check it very well. It should be 28,842. So 28,800. So I'm going to receive like 23,616 naira. This is the amount I'm going to receive, and because they are going to take their transaction fee. So right now, let me click on withdraw now, success. As you can see, it has right success. So right now you can see my main balance here. My remaining balance is now 42 naira. So guys, I will be waiting for the withdrawal payment after I receive it, because I am going to receive it into my, I think it is my this thing account. Yes, I'm going to receive it into my OPay account. So when I receive the money, I'm going to show you the proof if this platform is still paying or not. So if you want to register on this platform, check the description of this video. So I will just pause this video and I will play it when I remember that I make a withdrawal on this platform. It might be sometimes some few hours to this time, but don't worry. Immediately I pause this video and I replay it again, everything will go together, and you will see the withdrawal proof immediately. So that is it. If you want to start making money on this platform, you will have to deposit and you have to check their mining stuff here, right down here. Their mining, click here, or you can also make money through their cstc, but for now you can just use the mining one here. So click on mining, you will see their miner, which you can rent, their miner machine. You will see everything there, everything, and their daily income each, and their duration period. You will see everything here. You can check my former videos, I have everything there. Click on purchase, click on cstc. You can rent any of their mining machine here. So after you earn, you click on that. After you purchase the mining machine, you can click on your home page. Just notice the time you purchase the mining machine and you start it. For example, this is 11:40. So all you need to do is to click on my miner. You can set your alarm, then you click on start here to start your mining every 24 hours. You just have to click on your start mining and your mining will start making money for you. So that is it. So let's wait for the withdrawal to arrive. I have received the money. After I wait, you can see the time right now, and I will also show you the time I received the money. You can see the time here right now, and also going to show you the time I received the money. Let me click on withdrawal record right now. You can see 28,800, and if you remember, I am going to receive like 23,616 naira, if you remember it very well. So guys, right now let me go and show it to you in my OPay account that I have received the money. Let me go and show it to you right now. Okay guys, this is my OPay account. So if I click on transaction history up here, transaction history up there, you are going to see the money there right now. So you can see this is the last money. It is the last money I received here. You can click on it. 23,616. You can see this is it. This is the money coming from this is it. 23,616 naira. So that is the money, guys. You can see it by yourself. CST mining is still paying. They are paying very well. They have been paid now for almost 2 years. 2 years, about 875 days now. They have been paying for 875 days now, and still they are still paying. You can see it here, platform running safely for 875 days, 19 hours, 57 minutes, and 58 seconds. So guys, that is it. So if you want to register on CST mine, you can just cstc mine. You can just check below this video, check the description of this video. You see the registration there. So click on the registration link and register. When you register, if you want to deposit, I have already tell you how to deposit before. If you want to withdraw, you can just follow the step I use. Just add your bank details here. Your bank details, you can just add it up here. And there are so other ways you can make money on CST mine. Just register and join them and start making money. You will continue know more about them. So guys, thank you for watching, and you can also join my WhatsApp group. Link is on the description of this video, and subscribe, like the video. If you have anything to say, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.